Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the G major pentatonic scale open. So the G major open pentatonic scale. And this is what it looks like and sounds like. Now again, don't forget to subscribe and to like. Now for the G major open pentatonic scale, we're going to start off here on the 3rd fret, 6th string with our ring finger. We're going to play the G. Then on the 5th string, we're going to play an open note there, the A. Then the next note on the 5th string, on the 2nd fret with the middle finger, we'll play the B. Then the next note on the 4th string, we'll play that open note, the D. Then on the 4th string again, with the middle finger, on the 2nd fret, we'll play that E. Then on the 3rd string, using the open string again, we're just going to play that G. Then on the 3rd string with the middle finger, on the 2nd fret, we'll play that A. Then on the 2nd string, we'll play that open B. Then on the 2nd string, with the 3rd fret there, with the ring finger, we'll play the D. Then on the 1st string, we'll play that open E. Then on that 1st string, with a ring finger, we'll play a G. So this is what it sounds like, and this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed the G major pentatonic scale open, and don't forget to check out my other videos.